Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to a tiny but mighty country nestled high in the Pyrenees Mountains, Andorra. Sandwiched between France and Spain, Andorra is a landlocked micro-state that packs a punch. Whether you're a skier carving fresh powder, a history buff wandering medieval streets, or a shopaholic seeking duty-free deals, Andorra has something for everyone. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to the channel. Powderhounds rejoice. Andorra is a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. With world-class ski resorts like Grandvalira and Vallnord boasting over 300 kilometers of slopes, you can carve fresh lines, test your skills on challenging terrain parks, or cruise down gentle slopes suitable for beginners. For snowboarders, there are dedicated halfpipes and freestyle areas, while cross-country skiers can enjoy a scenic exploration of the Winter Wonderland. Andorra boasts a fascinating history dating back to the Middle Ages. Explore the capital city, Andorra la Vella, and be transported back in time. Wander the charming maze of cobbled streets in the historic Old Town, admire the architectural beauty of the Parliament building, and delve into the rich heritage on display at the National Postal Museum. Don't miss the chance to visit the Sant Esteve Church, a stunning example of Romanesque architecture that whispers tales of Andorra's past. Fast forward from medieval times to a shopper's dream. Andorra is a duty-free haven, with a wide variety of stores lining its boulevards. Luxury brands like Chanel and Gucci sit side by side with electronics stores, sportswear giants, and local boutiques, all offering tax-free prices. Whether you're searching for the perfect designer outfit, the latest gadgets, or unique souvenirs, Andorra's duty-free shopping scene is guaranteed to satisfy your retail therapy cravings. Andorra's appeal extends far beyond the winter months. As the snow melts and spring unfolds, the mountains transform into a hiker's and biker's paradise. Lace up your boots and explore a network of scenic trails that wind through valleys and meadows bursting with wildflowers. For mountain bikers, there are challenging single tracks and adrenaline-pumping downhill courses to conquer. Nature lovers can also discover hidden waterfalls, explore glacial lakes, or visit the fairy tale-like villages that dot the Andorran countryside. And if you're feeling peckish after a day of adventure, don't miss out on indulging in a hearty Andorran meal featuring local specialties like escudella, a rich stew, or trinxet, a potato, cabbage, and sausage dish. The best time to visit Andorra depends on your interests. For skiing and winter sports, December to March offers the best conditions. If you prefer exploring the outdoors, spring, May to June, and autumn, September to October, provide pleasant weather and stunning scenery. Summer, July and August, can get busy, but it's a great time for hiking and enjoying the mountain festivals. Andorra is a small country without its own airport. The nearest major airports are in Barcelona, Spain, and Toulouse, France. From there, you can easily catch a bus or taxi to Andorra. The euro is the official currency in Andorra, so you won't need to exchange any money if you're coming from Europe. Catalan is the official language, but Spanish, French, and Portuguese are also widely spoken, so communication shouldn't be a problem. So, if you're seeking a unique and affordable European adventure that caters to all interests, Andorra should be on your travel bucket list. With its breathtaking scenery, duty-free shopping, rich cultural heritage, and exciting outdoor activities, Andorra offers an unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining me on this trip to Andorra. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.